what a contrast from yesterday. You see the sun there glinting off the Tucano. And look at that beautiful livery, shows up fantastically against that lovely blue sky. Now I mentioned earlier that we use the Tucano as a basic fast jet trainer. And all the skills that we teach our pilots to do. So here we're seeing a couple of those, so we're certainly seeing the low-level flying and also the aerobatic aspect. We don't teach our students to combine those, but when they go on from the Tucano, they'll move on to fly the brand new Hawk T2 Advanced Jet Trainer and our Italian landing. And when they complete their training, they will go on to the front line, helping to defend the UK and its interests, both at home and abroad. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, flying either the Tornado or the Typhoon. And in a few years' time, those aircraft will be joined by the brand new Lightning II, which will be coming into service. Now as Dave runs in towards us on what we call the B-axis, the axis that goes away from us, he's going to pull up and show us yet another really good view of that poppy on the underside with another stall turn. So for anybody who, like most people, won't get a chance to see this aeroplane display in Malta, this is your last chance to see this beautiful livery on the Tucano display in 2014. So what a view that is. Now Dave is a solo display pilot, he's flying the aeroplane by himself today, and it's just one aeroplane displaying, but of course it takes a great deal of help, support and assistance behind the scenes to make this possible. So in particular I'd like to say thank you to Babcock, who carry out all the engineering and support work on the Tucano at Linton-on-Ouse, and also to ITP, the Spanish company, who maintain and overhaul our Garrett turboprop engines. Now here's a great opportunity to see the Tucano from one angle, today's a slow roll. On the outside that looks quite elegant, but on the inside Dave's working very hard to balance all three flight controls, the ailerons, the elevator and the rudder. Now while I'm on the subject of acknowledgements, thank you also to Breitling, who provided the official timekeeping for the Tucano team this year, and also to the Royal Air Force Charitable Trust, who helped us by supplying various items of kit to support us as we go around the Airshow circuit.